Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial, and before us is question number 19 of the WAEC November 2022 mathematics question, and it says, given that sine p equals 5 divided by 3, where p is acute, find the value of into bracket cos p minus tan p. Alright, the question is actually very specific, and it says P, that is angle P, is acute, which means it is less than 90 degrees. So we can actually do this. We can actually solve this question in two ways. P. Alright, and we know from SOHCAHTOA, that is the trigonometry ratio. We know that sine here is opposite over hypotenuse. So here we can just say that sine p opposite over hypotenuse is what, 5 over what, 13, which is 5 here and 13 here, right? Okay, now for us to get this angle here, it means we will use the Pythagorean theorems. And if we use the Pythagorean theorem, this will give us that way, which is hypotenuse opposite plus adjacent, and we know that this is 13, this is the opposite. So our adjacent here will probably be this. The square of this is 169 minus the square of 5 is what, 25, which will give us 4, 4 and 1, and the square root of this will give us what, 12. Fine. Yes. Now we can also use another method, okay, to ensure that, and that is this. Recall that sine square theta plus cosine square theta all will give us that 1. So the addition of this trigonometric function will give us 1. Alright, let us replace our theta with p here. So we say this is sine square p plus cos square p equals 1. Alright, I'm replacing this with this. So here we have that 5 over 13 all raised to the power 2 plus cos square p equals 1. So here we have, this will give us 25 over 169, that's 13 times 13, now plus cos square p equals 1. Making this the Schroeder formula, we have cos square p equals 1 minus 25 over what, 169, and this will give us this multiplied by 1 here. We have 169 minus 25 all everything over what, 169, or you can just do it, find the LCM of 1 and this, then you simplify. So moving further, here we have 169 minus 125 will give us 144 over what, 169. Alright, finding cos here, that is, you have to square root both sides here. So cos p will now be the square root of 144 over 169, which is what, 12 over 13. Alright, you can see we've gotten, so whichever one you want to use, either this or this, actually anyone will work out. Alright, then let's find this and the other one, the other sine ratio. So from here now we can now see that cos p here, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, that will be 12 over 13, and here tan p, which is opposite over adjacent, will give us opposite over adjacent. Alright, from this, so you can now say implement, replace this for all this. So here we have cos p is 12 over 13, then minus this is 5 over what, 12. Alright, now let's find the LCM. Now the LCM of these two here should give us that will be this times this should give us 156, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this multiplier 600, and this times this 100, 2 times 3 6, and this plus this 5. Okay, so this in this 12, 156 divided by 13 is 12, then 12 times 12 is 144, then minus 156 divided by 12 is 13. Now 13 times 5 here, 13 times 5, this is 15, 1, this is 5, remember that 6, that'll be what? 65. Okay, so and as such 144 minus 65 will give us, here we have 14 minus this will give us 9. Now remember 13 minus 7, minus 6 will give us 7 over 156. All right, this is the value of the question, or the solution to the question. All right, if you've loved what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading. Thank you and God bless you.